And here's I'll show you step by step how to fix Instagram direct message or DM not working. So the first solution is make sure you have unblock or unrestricted the account whom you want to send messages. So as you can see right now, I'm in a chat and conversation, and now all you have to need, tap on the chat name, tap on options, and here make sure to unblock and unrestrict the specific account. After that, go ahead and try to send a message and check the issue. And the second solution is check your internet working perfectly. If your internet is poor, then you won't be able to send direct message to someone from Instagram. So first of all, make sure to check your internet is working perfectly. You can turn on airplane mode for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds turn off airplane mode, and if you're using Wi-Fi, then turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then turn off mobile data and use Wi-Fi. After that, go ahead and try to resend a message and check the issue. And the next solution is check for Instagram update. Go to your Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you see any new update available, then must update the Instagram app. And sometime updating your Instagram app can fix this kind of DM not working problem. And if you're still having the same problem, your DM is not sending, then you have to uninstall your Instagram app. So uninstall your Instagram app and then go to your App Store or Play Store and reinstall the Instagram app and then sign into your account, and hope any of the solution will fix DM not working problem. Thanks for watching.